if the simple interest on rupees X at a rate of 8% for M years is same as that on Y rupees at a rate of A square percentage for M square years. That is, here simple interest at a rupees X for at a rate of a percentage for M years is same as simple interest for rupees Y at a rate of A square percentage for M square years. Now these both are same. Here percentage cancel. A square and A and A cancel. Now M and 1 M from the sum square cancel. Now remaining is X by Y, which is equal to, here it is 1, here it is A and M. So AM divided by 1 is X is to Y. So option B is your answer.